a long, more than a decade. Since in KIMS we were together, and he was there with from the brick and mortar stage for Sunshine, and he's always there. And he also shouldered a lot of responsibilities. He was also subject to my wrath time and again. But as I said, wherever I lose my temper, and it is to tell them that I treat them as my family. And I personally and professionally, publicly apologize if I cross the line and hurt anyone in this journey. Krishnaveni, again, another COVID queen, never bothered to mask herself, and she got one. And I was literally sweating when she was not well. I think she almost, of all the people, she took more sick than anybody else. But even while she was sick, she used to visit the neighbor rooms, consoling them and taking care of them. And Bindu, again, a very able nursing superintendent. She also got corona, but again, she also carried out a marvelous job. And Shiny, so not Shiny, Jahan, again, got the corona, but again, she's also bounced back and again adding value to the thing. Here I got to mention two people. One is Subbu. I could not get Subbu's photo last night. I just carried the DP photo, I snapshotted him. And Subbu and Praveen. Subbu is always, I like him, I like his attitude. Sometimes he irritates me because he wants perfectionism, which is not possible in war. In war, bloody, you got to optimize the compromise to the maximum extent. So I pushed him to the wall and said, no, you got to take this thing. And he successfully created a new ICU and then carried on. And same thing with Praveen here. Praveen is also a man to go any crisis. He carried on with minimum staff and he was never said no. And so these two people also had special mention in my COVID team. It is not that I missed so many people. For example, Indra is not here, but Indra took fort in Bhubaneswar because in the same crisis, we got another small war going on in Bhubaneswar because we are closing the Bhubaneswar hospital and there a lot of labor unrest, a lot of things are happening. And Indra went there for more than 6 weeks now. He missed his daughter's birthday, he missed his personal birthday, but hats off to him. He held the fort and sorting out the matters for me there. Like that, so many people, the new people have rose to the occasion, like physiotherapist Sudhakar and Amarnath, and of course Sudha and Mallika, my secretary Krishnaveni, Radhika, Jahan, Ayan. All these people are there, and dietitian Archana. All these people are there to help us out. And same way in Secunderabad, the Pankaj. So if Divakar is my Munnabai, what is his name? Circuit. Pankaj is Divakar Circuit. So circuit. And that guy got corona and still he works day in and day out. How can I repay these guys their work? I'm so grateful that I'm blessed with these people. So this is the COVID team. Now, health workers got 33 times at high risk of COVID infection. But still, all the doctors, all the people, the health workers, everyone volunteered to work here. It is not the extra 10,000, 20,000 I gave. It is not a dinner table set or a Bluetooth speaker. It is their heart motivation. Otherwise, it won't happen. As I always say that unless you are motivated, unless you are inspired, you cannot get into war like this. And putting your personal safety to the side. And these were my last photos of happiness. Of course, happiness means social happiness. In January, we went to Goa to attend a marriage of one of our close friends' daughter. And these are the photos there. Arjun, you can see in suit. And that's it. This is the last social function, if I remember right. Bhavani, am I right? This is the last function?
Yeah, it was.
It was okay. In between, my family and friends keep chipping in so that I know that people are there. And effect of lockdown, I grew the beard, and I'm sure I'm as handsome as with the beard, and I'm sure all the people will agree. You have to agree. Right. A lot of challenges faced by the hospitals. And this slide, I got to put my gratitude or thanks to the MBRD. Again, one of my close associates who has done tremendous work for the research aspect of this COVID. And what are the challenges of these going on here? Preparedness and keeping updated. Developing 24/7 exclusive COVID management service in ER. So ER, again, Venu, Vandana's team, Secunderabad, Saeem and other people have done marvelous job ER, because that is the entry where a lot of commotion, a lot of waiting, a lot of halla gulla going on. But these people carried with such an aplomb. I salute them. Next, setting up comprehensive laboratory to deal with all necessary investigations. And again, labs facilities, these are the silent warriors. I thank Lucid people and Sarah, Sunita, and Secunderabad people for giving us this great support. At the same time, before I forget, the blood bank people, Srinivas and all the other people, Vakil and other people, always there, anytime. Plasma therapy, they have done a tremendous job for us. Now coming to the organizing and training of doctors at different levels. I have to acknowledge Kushal's initiative here. He has done one of the guys who has come in the front, and then aided by Adarsh, they both of them got into complete rejigging the things and repurposing the healthcare personnel. That is the word I want to use. Just like chloroquine is repurposed drug, here a radiologist is used, a cardiothoracic surgeon is used, a gastroenterologist is used. That's what it is. Now, second line department, radiology. Again, Mahendra and team, CT scans, hundreds of CT scans are done. Again, wonderful service. Preventing cross infection, again, the same problem again. And we got to do a lot of physical barriers and physical rejigging and regular communication. That is where I think Sunshine excelled compared to other hospitals. I tried to find out from other hospitals, and a lot of people said that there is no separate communication channel, but we have gone to such a length and breadth, and we put so many hours of efforts to create that communication. I think 80% of the time we succeeded, but still some places, some areas, we have not been there to my satisfaction. So it's okay, 80% is fine. And relatives' anger and security issues, again, they keep cropping up again and again. And sometimes we feel helpless, and because it's like a thankless job. We do so much to the patients, and they come back and sue us. They go to the police station, they go to the courts. Then increasing the needs of healthcare workers' support and their care. Almost 130 to 150 members have got the infection in the hospital, and we supported them without taking a single penny. Right from the simple fourth class employee to the top consultants. We took care of them, and sometimes we accommodated in the hotels also, and we did what all we could do. And I created a goodwill committee for Sunshiners, GCS, which Kavya headed, and she went and visited almost all the people and shared with our best wishes, and gave them fruits, to a small token of our appreciation and love towards them. Next, motivating teams. That is the biggest challenge, and which we have done. And I'm sure the success of the total environment and our ability to upscale the hospital. And let me tell you, we have not recruited anyone from outside. Hardly 10%. Am I right, Bhavani and Kushal?
Yeah,
Hello?
you're right.
That's
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
recruit.
Hardly
Yes.
10% of the people. In fact, compared to the attrition, if you put them attrition to this one, and both of them, Lakshmi, can I have a glass of water? So attrition and the recruitment has matched, and I don't think we have got any extra personnel involved at all. And now increasing the availability of beds. Now I want the people to give me the statistics. Nakumar, are you there?
Sir. Sir.
Nakumar, you're there?
Sir, I'm there, sir.
Yeah, okay. How many beds we increased from where to where? And Krishnaveni, you be ready with the answer for Gachibowli.
We have added another 60 beds, sir.
Huh?
60 beds, sir.
Yeah, we added 60 more beds.
Yes,
And
sir.
ICU beds, how many we increased?
We increased it by under 20, sir.
Yeah.
Today's ready.
Total, we have pushed the Secunderabad occupancy or the beds to 250 and Gachibowli to 150. Gachibowli,
Yes, sir.
how many beds we increased? How many?
Sir, in wards, we straight away increased 50 beds, sir.
Yeah.
ICUs, we did about 16. And we
Yeah.
are ready with another Amrita with 18.
Yeah, so wonderful. So, like I said, when we got the team, and in fact, when Adarsh was fighting with me that there are no nurses, so many people, soldiers have come, which we'll show in the other slides. So, in fact, at one time, the people have become more. So, we have to crop them. Now, bio-waste management, again, people have done tremendous job. And I'm going to have to thank Vishnu of maintenance of Secunderabad and Christopher of this housekeeping and Sudhakar and Amarnath. They have done tremendous job in -1, -2 and thanks to them, and in Gachibowli also. At the same time, before I forget, the two biomedical guys, fill me up with the names.
Ranjit
and Habib.
Ranjit and Habib from Gachibowli and Secunderabad, tremendous job. They are so good in the sense, we have not found any problem with them. They are there all the time. When Bhubaneswar sent the ventilators, they are there midnight and fixed the ventilators. So thanks to them. And now prioritizing admissions, home care treatment and protocols. Again, I got some more slides I'll show you. And challenging of the COVID positive patients who cannot be isolated at home. Managing external calls. Again, switchboard Bina is such a huge help. And at one stage when we started this free helpline, there were no many people here in the switchboard. And the secretaries, starting from all the department secretaries, have pitched in, and they all learned, and Bina has taken tremendous inputs and value added to that. And press conferences, balancing clinical research. Again, as I said, thanks to Emirati, this research also has got into shape. I should acknowledge Praharsha also. Wherever the research needs are there, Praharsha is there. Now, I always try to put some acronyms or some sort of spin-off with the words. I feel that the success story of Sunshine in managing the COVID crisis stands on 4 pillars. One is inspiration. Number 2 is information. Number 3, improvisation. Number 4 is incentivization. And we'll go one by one. And before, again, as I said, I keep on talking, I keep on getting or remembering some of the things. I forgot to mention the anesthetic team, because in COVID, Davids and Dravids, non-COVID emergencies and electives, again, tremendously taken care by Kavita, Koopchand and Giridhar of Secunderabad. Of course, Praveen already I mentioned, Praveen and team in Gachibowli. So now let us go to the next slide. So the inspiration, how do you inspire the people? By leading them from the front. There is no excuse or exception to this rule. You sit cozily at home in your home theater, look nicely seeing 4 or 5 Netflix movies, and ask the people to work, it won't happen. And in fact, I wanted to be in this picture, but you guys, the family and the rest of the hospital people have robbed me of this opportunity of getting into PPE kits and getting into the war front. That deficiency will be there my whole lifetime. I wanted to be there, but you never wanted, you prevented me saying that I got to be safe than be brave. Here, Kavya, Kushal, Bhavani, Adarsh, all of them are in PPEs and they are in the forefront. None of them, Kavya has got a 1.5-year-old baby, Adarsh has got a 6 months pregnant wife, and of course, Bhavani has got a 62-year-old husband. But none of them held back. I salute them from the bottom of my heart. They could have stayed back if they wanted. Nobody would have questioned, at least outside. But all of them went ahead and without blinking an eyelid. And Kavya, every alternate day she did the night calls last month because her colleagues were off, and she took the night calls every alternate day. And Kushal, I cannot tell how much administrative burden he has taken. And Bhavani has put an application saying that I'm suffering from 2 months of leave please grant me 1 week of work, like that. So every day she wanted to go, and I don't know whether she prayed to the gods. Every day there was work, even in the busiest and strictest lockdown time also. She was there in the labor rooms, delivering the babies. And you know the episode where they got the dead mother to come back to life and deliver the child. And she delivered a COVID positive woman also. And others has started doing the ICU duties also. And so this is the sort of inspiration I think we have provided our family of Sunshiners by being in the forefront. Never ever we shunned back from the forefront. I'm sure all of the people would agree. So inspiration comes from this. Then inspiration comes from getting to the people right to the bottom. These are the right side slide. These are housekeeping people and security people. These people would have never met me, but I called them to my room and inspired them to take the soldier's duty. And so they immediately took it. Within a minute, they all said yes. Like that left side auditorium, again, one more session going on, basically inspiring them, egging them to do better things, and acknowledging their contribution every time with some gestures. That is more important. Even without war, I'm always passionate in taking any gestures and expressing my goodwill and gratitude to the people. And in the wartime, it is much more important. And of course, as I said, second piece of this information starts with this. Even in the lockdown, I never took it lightly. And you all know that I became a star in a lot of televisions and social media. So many problems have done at least close to 70 to 80 webinars, one even with the health minister and paper articles, everything. And you know that the viral videos, the first video I have done with Adarsh, with celebrities asking, and that has become viral. And unfortunately, one of the Balu is not well now. And Rajmouli got virus, but he's fine now. So, but all these guys have helped me. And again, that is not because I got a big power or anything. It's because of the goodwill I generated. I keep on telling all of you, goodwill is an intangible asset. Nobody can replace that. And that will open so many doors for you. And that is what I am passionate. And that's what, again, that is proved in this wartime. And the second video with Kushal, again, went viral. And thanks to all the people. So we have become synonymous of imparting unbiased, uncluttered COVID information to the lay public. And that itself gave tremendous fillip to our admissions. A lot of people felt that, okay, yes, Guruvar Reddy and Sunshine are there for us. That confidence has come, and that has translated into the footfalls. Loads of people have come to us. And of course, not only Guruvar Reddy, there are other stars also. Sanjeev, again, became big hit. Sanjeev, are you there? Sanjeev?
Sir, I'm there, sir.
Yes, you have become a big hit. Congratulations to you. And
Thank
people
you,
have MLAs, MPs, judges. The right side, that Dadiwala is a judge. And he spoke to me at 5 to 10 minutes appreciating Sanjeev's work. And he has reached crores of people. And he created so many ICUs at home. And of course, some criticism from the hospital authorities, from the other corporate hospitals. They robbed them the corporate admissions. I think Sanjeev has robbed them. So Sanjeev has literally, it's again very simple style and good Hindi language. He reached so many people. And I'm sure in the coming 1 year, Sanjeev will become a very busy cardiologist. I was telling him, don't let the people think that you're only COVID guy, but you got to be a cardiologist. And Anil Mulpur also, with his excellent Telugu, has written and has participated in the television programs. And again, this added, overall, Sunshine has gone into the people's hearts that we have not given any CM relief fund, but this is the fund we have given to the people. I think lakhs of people have been benefited by our information pathways, which I salute all the people. Not only you, there are some more other consultants also. I'll tell them at an appropriate time. Coming to the information part, second eye, we have gone to such a length. I'm sure no other hospital has generated a brochure like this. Both languages. We have completely answered 80% of the questions. And we have gone to such a length that we do not call dead body as a sevam. We have called it as a Parthiva Deham, our type of, because this was a unedited version. So we have gone to such a length of creating this information. Again, English information brochure, and again English one, and again discharge guidelines. Again, you can see the first one. According to the Government of India regulations, no need of PCR test. So many doubts can be clarified by this. And again, how do you stay at home? And again, dietitian. So all these things. And again, a great hit from us is this teamwork, that primary consultant and this one. And again, we have created a discharge launch. And again, we are there with information, with a very clear-cut information of the flow chart for the patient about to be discharged. If you go through this, you are saving 4 hours so that others can be admitted into the hospital quicker. Anybody can understand and help us. And again, this is the COVID war room circles of management, which again, we have done with a great professionalism. You can see that the central core group, obviously Bhavani, Adarsh, Kushal, and my another son Divakar. And he was down with corona, 4 times negative, but still he got, now his mother, wife, and son are corona positive, but he was always there. I cannot express in words how much I owe to this young man. And now, if you see the left side circles, these are all operational, right side is clinical. If left side, you go to the Apex group, I already mentioned Anil Mulpur, Medical Director, VP Operation Nag Kumar, Medical Director Nagarjuna, and Senior GM Krishnaveni, and GM Operations Indra. This is the crisis management and execution and ownership group. That is how we did it. Then if we go to the outer group, and then here, the Valli Rani, Chief of, again, Valli has done a tremendous job for us, Shaini, and Deepak, and Sudha, and Jahan, and physiotherapist Sudhakar, facilities Radhika, and Bindu. And if you go to the outer circle, again, housekeeping Kumar, HR Prasad, HR Hepsi, switchboard Bina, patient care managers, and goodwill committee for Sunshiners Kavya, Krishnaveni, and Mallika, and stay home Sandeep, and hotel Sunshine, Jay Kumar, and other marketing team, and digital team Karthik, Bhagavat Rao, and Pavan. So that is operational. And coming to the right side, clinical. The first circle is obviously the frontline guys, ER, Dr. Venu, Department of General Medicine, Department of Pulmonology, ICU, Mahati ICU, Anand Joshi ICU, Aditya ICU, Sachin ICU, Subbu ICU, Praveen ICU, Blood Bank, Laboratory. Now go to the outer circle, COVID guardians, COVID soldiers, COVID warriors, COVID invigilators, and plasma therapy, Radha, and research committee, MB Reddy. And this is the Davids, that non-COVID emergencies, that obstetrics, Bhavani and team. Bhavani and team, I again should salute that whole team. I may miss the names, Reena and Havya and Bhavani. Can you add the names, please?
India Times.
Yeah.
Lady, the mom
So
meeting.
Shalini,
Yeah.
as she is a dedicated pediatrician without
Yeah.
whom we cannot do
And all
anything.
your other team members.
Yes, and Vidulata,
Yeah.
you have mentioned the other two in Secunderabad. And
Yeah.
here Mahalakshmi,
Yeah.
Manogna, and Samiha.
Yeah. And
And
tremendous.
Maitri
They
was
never,
there, but
these people are newly married, some of them are pregnant. They never took one day leave. I salute them. I don't know whether Bhavani inspired them or I inspired them. I don't know. Bhavani, who is the one, Vijulata, right? Got the positive and then doing the
yeah,
soldier.
Vidulata.
Vijulata, are you there? Vijulata. Right. So these people are, again, non-COVID emergencies. Again, neurology people, strokes, Gopal and team, Vinod and team are always there. Cardiology, I should salute all the Trimurtis. Unfortunately, out of two Trimurtis fell sick, Shailendra and Vijay Kumar, but they are always there. Sridhar held the fort, and all the associate cardiologists. Again, I may fail to name them. Kavya, are you there?
No, she's on call. She's busy with the patient.
Okay, right. And Kushal, can you chip in? Naveen, Dhananjay, Chaitanya, Vamsi,
Dr. Vamsi. Yeah.
and Rajaram, and anybody else?
Ravan,
Is there?
sir.
Huh?
Other DM.
Ravan, sir.
Yeah. So all of them done a
Ravan, sir.
tremendous job again doing the non-COVID emergencies. So I call them Davids. And coming to the Davids Trauma Center, the circle. Trauma guys, again, my guys have done tremendous job. I don't have any words to say thanks to them. Again, headed by Subbu, Kamlakar, Prapul, Ashok Raju, and Pappu Rashekar, Vasudev, and all the registrars, Harsha, Ashwin, Yashashvi. Guys, anybody, others? Kushal? Prapul, I told Prapul.
Yeah.
Dr.
I think we
Pushpa.
covered everyone. Yeah, they've done tremendous jobs.
And
Tremendous, they're always there. Pardon?
Panduranga sir and Sanjeev sir. Panduranga and Sanjeev sir.
Who?
In cardiology, Panduranga and Sanjeev sir.
Ah, Panduranga and Sanjeev from Gachibowli. So these are all. And now coming to the anesthesia team, I already told.
Arthur Suhas Periyapal.
Suhas is also there. But unfortunately, Suhas was very much down with his father's ill health. But God is kind because Suhas' father is a great, how should I put it? Great man with the Christian values, and he teaches and professes a lot of people, and all these prayers have helped him. And anesthesia complete team, again, I said Kavita, Giridhar, Koopchand, and the second in line, and Shami, and tell me the names, I keep forgetting this, Rajesh, and Joeria. Anybody can chip in with anesthesia names, please? Hello?
Sir, actually, hello? Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
One is Siddharth,
Siddharth,
Karthik,
Vaibhav,
Girish, Vijay Lakshmi,
Kavita,
all of these, sir.
coming to the
And,
Secunderabad, anyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that is one. And now moving to the outside circle, and nutrition and nurses done a tremendous job. I cannot tell each one by name, but at one stage I'll call all of them and then say thanks to them. And respiratory therapists, again, tremendous job. Front is one. Biomedical services, I already mentioned. And secretaries and receptionists, every secretary has worked hard and every secretary has done very well. And dietitians, again, Radha and Archana, teams done tremendous jobs. Physiotherapists, in this crisis also, they have gone home and taken care of so many other people. And OT technicians. So all these people are the outer circle. And again, coming to the groups here, we have put this GCS means Gachibowli Committee, Goodwill Committee for Sunshiners, headed by Kavya and Krishnaveni and Mallika. These people took the names of all the COVIDians of the Sunshine family and visited them and gave them fruits and best wishes to each one of them. So that is their job. And so next is, I think I tell everybody. Okay, right, good. Let me move to the next one. I'm not at all apologetic by being slow because I wanted to express each and every grain of gratitude from the heart. This is the way we treated the patients, and I think this is the only way. We put it in the team, primary consultants, guardian consultant, intensive care specialist, and this is the paper which has gone to the patient's relatives. So how much comfort these people have got by having these phone numbers and doing this. And again, you can see that each for primary consultants, the guardian consultants, their phone number, their emails, and every day Pravalika, right, Manil, your secretary, and Nagarjuna secretary, I think Uma, right?
Pravalika, correct.
Pravalika, Nagarjuna secretary, Uma, right. So these people have helped us to go to the net and do that. And coming to the guardians, the guardian consultants are the game changers in this COVID fight. And I congratulate myself for putting this concept forward. And this has worked tremendously well. Almost 90% in Secunderabad, around 70% in Gachibowli. But you can see the devotion and commitment of these guys. I think the central thing is from Ashok Raju. Am I right, Ashok? Ashok, are you there? Ashok Razu, are you there? Okay. And see how elaborate he has got it. And right side is P. N. Rao. P. N. Rao, sorry, are you there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, this
I'm
is
there.
your writing, am I right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, see how nicely he reading the patients, red flags, again boxing, and tremendous job, PN. I'm telling you, hats off to you. Hundreds of people found that comfort zone because of your counseling. And these people all rose to the occasion. Whose chart is this left one? I think again another. All the guardians, they got their own style, and the others spent hours together. They explained to them what is a D-dimer, what is a IL-6, and how do they treat, how to do the investigations. Tremendous job. The Guardian team is the single most, coming to the communications, these are the people who made it. I cannot tell how good they are and how excellent they have done it. And I salute all the Guardian consultants, starting, I cannot tell the names, every one of you have contributed so much to this war. And I'll tell you, you added that extra comfort. I can see the people who lost their fathers and mothers sending us a lot of accolades by video messages and saying that, sir, you have done your best. It is our ill fate. Tremendous. Okay. So Guardians, I salute all of you guys. And now some Guardians like Dinakar have gone to the next step. Dinakar has gone and outsourced so many useful masks and all that stuff. And he has put a lot of effort in getting information. This is one of the masks, he got it for himself and other people also. And
this is too much. This is too much. This is too much.
Dinakar, not too much. This is Dinakar's contribution to the COVID war in this wartime. Now coming to this one, I have to Vimalakar and Ajit Vikram, I think they produced a great video on in lockdown period. And I think this one, again, saying salute to their contribution and well done, my friends. And now coming to the COVID soldiers. Now, as I said, three concepts we developed: COVID guardians, COVID soldiers, and COVID warriors. Soldiers, this is a Kushal's concept and backed up by other people. And as I said, repurposing. We inspired the soldiers, means non-medical people who are gone into the frontline battle. Warriors means the consultants who have gone to the frontline battle. So soldiers are the people from every walk of life. They came from information technology people, they came from secretaries, they came from physiotherapy group, they came from the OT technicians. You can see that all of them have got selfies, and it was like a festival atmosphere. Everyone has said that, sir, first day I was apprehensive, but second day onwards it was so good and fulfilling, and they all feel good. And that is the beauty of serving in this healthcare. Nobody can get this satisfaction. Only you guys can get it, and I'm glad that you all enjoyed that. And I'm sure God will take care of you. It is not the 10,000 rupees extra, not a dinner set I'm giving you, motivated you. It is your kind heart and it is your pure heart that has motivated you to do this job, putting your personal things outside. As I said, pregnant woman, recently married woman, and children's parents, all of you gone into the battle and did this duty. Salute. And this sort of, again, the Rotas, COVID soldiers, excellent duties, excellent, and they have done tremendous job. Now coming to the COVID warriors. As I told you, warriors are the consultant doctors who have gone into the battle and chipped into the ICUs. And these people have tremendously added value to the ICUs. And I'm sure Aditya and Mahati and Subbu will acknowledge. Just let us ask their opinions. Mahati, are you there?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir. The workload, the way they have worked inside, including others, sir, they have done an amazing job, sir. I mean, the stress load came down so much despite of the number of cases going up. Everybody did really well, sir. They did really well.
This is again great concept. I don't think anybody has done in any other hospital. Our hospital has to be a role model. I'm sure Aditya, do you agree?
Morning, sir.
Do you agree that this warriors concept helped a lot?
Yes, sir. Actually, it helped in our personality development also, sir. I think when we down the lane, we'll remember this period. as the one where we were all useful to someone else.
You're right,
without,
Aditya. Yeah,
actually financial issues on the back of the mind.
absolutely. Nobody has the
Satisfying experience.
correct. Exactly. So they all came with the heart, good heart. That's what I'm saying. Tremendous. I'm sure. Who else is there? Subbu, do you agree?
Yes, sir. It was a great help, sir. Great help
Right.
to us,
Yeah.
both from clinical and non-clinical. Like you have somebody to help you, so that takes the stress out of your mind. And Dr. Sudhakar Reddy, he was very, very helpful. Harsha, Vinod,
Vimalakar.
all of them.
Yeah, all of
He
you
even
guys.
he even comes and tells me, sir, don't bother about all these things. You just do those important practical things. I will take the rest of the things. Sudhakar Reddy tells me every day. So it
Yeah.
took a lot of pressure out of me, sir.
Correct. Exactly. So wonderful. And again, warriors, again, you can see the enthusiasm, the left side, all of the guys. And see, the beauty is, even the people who are on fee for service, they are not retainers. They don't have any moral or financial obligation to Sunshine, except that they come and operate their own cases, like Ashwin, Rajesh of Gachibowli. They volunteered and went to the ICUs first in the line. Hats off to these guys. So these are very simple. And again, Mahati took and rose to the occasion, and they taught them, and they took it very nicely. And so tremendous things. And again, there are a lot of rejigging we have done. Again, this can see that on the left side. This is the ground floor of the Gachibowli. We have converted that into complete COVID OPD, and we moved outside. And like that, ER, you can see that how much restructuring is done. Yeah. So now coming to the ICUs. Again, we have increased the ICUs. Left side ICU, Pavitra, Hrudaya, Prardhana, and Amrita are Gachibowli ICUs. Arogya, Ashwini, Ayush, Dhatri, Dhanvantri, Swastha, Santana are Secunderabad ICUs. You might be frustrated to remember these names, but remember, the worth the effort, because these are all good quality abstract feelings rather than boring ICU 1, 2, 3, 4, step down, step up. That is rubbish. The moment you name these things, you remember these names, that will add a good value to the heart. It's a good feeling, a good thought process. And again, thanks to all the people of the ICUs, we tremendously upscaled the ICUs. And again, let me tell you, this war has been epicenter of the war is ICUs. And these ICUs, I cannot say how thankful I am to these people. Mahati and Aditya, ironically, these guys are number 2 in the ladder, and to their good fate, their number 1s have gone to Australia, and these people rose to the occasion, and they have done a tremendous job. Both people, there is no words to describe them, and the team. And Mahati and Aditya, both of you endorse. Anybody I missed them, or did I get all of them right? Mahati?
Yeah, all of them are there, sir.
All of them are there.
Yes.
Yeah, and Aditya, all of them are there.
Uday.
Most of them, sir.
Yeah, most of them.
Dr. Uday, he's not.
Uday.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not there in the, I think, this. Sorry, Uday. And anybody missing? Because it was tremendous effort to get these photos. And so, all of you, I salute you guys. You have done a tremendous job. And hats off to you. We managed to move to the next level. And thanks to you. And all these discussions, probably, and again, another war front is ER. Again, Venu, Vandana team, and excellent job. Venu?
Sir.
Venu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, have I missed anyone?
Few, sir. వాళ్ళ photos లేవు నా దగ్గర కూడా.
Okay, so you name them. You name them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You name all the people.
Abdul Bari, sir.
Yeah.
And Ainu.
Yeah, okay. All the people of ER, I salute you guys, because yours is the first portal of entry into this chaos world, chaotic world, but you all carried it such a beautiful way. And again, I salute you all.
Thank you, sir.
And Venu, again, a special mention to you about that almost dead lady, peri-mortem cesarean. Thanks to you, that woman and child, our 2 lives are there because of you and the gynec team. And again, thanks to AR team, wonderful. Of all these things, now let us go to the frontline guys. The frontline guys, The pulmonologists and physicians again rose to the occasion. I don't think I missed anyone here. And Bhavani, have I got everyone? Kushal and Adarsh? I got the pulmonologist of Secunderabad, Raghu, and Lakshman. Lakshman was COVIDian for some time. He bounced back. And physician Sudesh Patil again, COVID, and came back again. Tremendous inputs. Prashant, Tudi Pavan, Challa Chaitanya, Srinivas Reddy, moving to Gachboli, Mateen, and Tangil, Sudhir and Uttara, Srinivas Reddy and Mausam. These are the frontline guys who got the admissions under their belt. Have I got everyone?
I think so, yes.
Adarsh?
Yeah,
Sir, can I add one chip in, sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir, I forgot to name one of my anesthetists, Dr. Srinivas. He was
Okay,
holding my
Srinivas, yes, cardiac
unit.
anesthesia, yes, great man.
Yeah. I forgot to mention his name. He was helping me to run the cardiac side also.
Yeah,
I
correct.
failed to miss his name.
Meanwhile, guys, as I talk, if you guys feel that somebody is missing, please keep on chipping in. Okay, because this is the platform to acknowledge each one's contribution. Again, all the pulmonologists and physicians rose to the occasion. Some people have got the rounds at evening, 5 o'clock, OPD, and 160, 70 patients. And Mateen was telling he was talking to the patients night, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. And Sudhir is a blessing in this war for me, Sudhir and Uttara. They have come at the right time to this hospital. Sudhir, are you there? Sudhir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
You are repenting that you came at the wrong time, or you are okay?
Right time for us, wrong time.
Right time.
No,
So
sir.
thanks
Thank
to
you.
each one of you. Mausam is, as usual, very, very informative with his slides and all that. So thanks to all you guys. You have taken the front line, but I'm sure all of you, without exception, must have been comforted by the Guardian consultants. They have tremendously supported you, and I'm sure you all will appreciate and acknowledge their contribution. And coming to the other portals.
One word about Srinivas Reddy.
Yeah, go back.
One word about Srinivas, cardiac anesthetist.
Yeah.
He did the night duty on Sunday night, and he continued to next Sunday. Monday morning, he gave the CBG anesthesia.
Wonderful.
We could not get a replacement, but still he went and did that thing.
That is what a sunshine consultant works like that.
Yeah.
Hats off.
Okay. Yeah.
Now moving to the next one, we have developed a lot of concept. Sunshine home quarantine. Home means sunshine. Stay home. Stay means sunshine team at your home. And this home, people, hundreds of calls have come. And we got two mothers here, Chiran and Kavita. They very successfully and very affectionately handled this. I don't know much of this, but who will chip in? Kushal?
Yeah, so there's Dr. Sridhar Sastry also.
Yeah.
And Dr. Aparna also in Secunderabad.
Yeah, I could not get their photos. I acknowledge them. Kavita, are you there? Kavita? Chiranjeevi?
Sir, yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay. Chiranjeevi, are you there? Mummy?
Madam Leru.
Madam, Then moving down, Radha. Why we put Radha especially here? She headed the COVID plasma initiative. And she has done tremendous job coordinating with the blood bank and other people. Whenever I wanted a plasma donor for my friends and all that, every time she managed one. Radha, are you there? Hello? Radha. Okay. Now let us move to the COVID Invigilator Committee. Again, Chandrasekhar and Naveen have done a good job. They volunteered, they went around, they picked up the lacuna, and they discussed with Nakumar and Kushal and helped us in bettering the things. Thank you, guys. Now, all this discussion, I'm sure two people felt missed out. See here. They are like criminals.
Such an awesome picture.
Standing in a court. Okay. Joshi, Anand, you're there? Anand.
I think he is there. Anand?
Anand, Sachin.
Sir, I'm here, sir. I'm
Sachin,
here,
are you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir. We are here, sir.
Good. I put you in a special slide because these two guys are the professional kaamchors. They flew to Australia and stayed back there, and they requested their government not to study. I have to move from pillar to post to get these guys without quarantine to Hyderabad. So, classical examples. But let me again acknowledge these people, though they are in Australia, they were always participating in our Thursday meetings and always giving a lot of inputs of issues and all that. In fact, Sachin wrote me 16 pages of one review, how to upscale the ICUs and all that stuff. Thanks so much, guys. And though you missed an action in the peak period, but you are back, and I'm happy that you got both of you back in the helm of affairs. Again,
Sachin was almost there every day, sir.
Who?
Sachin was almost there every day in our WhatsApp group and guiding, sir.
You can see that this is, I'm sharing Sachin's script. He has written almost 10 pages, and he has written, I have this right side, if you see, I have put in the WhatsApp. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I said whole family gone through your detailed plan. Excellent. Appreciate your involvement and approach. I preserved it and will use it for future. I wrote that, and Sachin wrote back, thank you. And newly married to new mom and dad are also involved in care. Aditya has been blessing for the team and me, especially when I'm stuck. So this sort of camaraderie, and see his involvement and commitment. Though in Australia, he has given so much to us. And again, this is a COVID counseling sheet by Aditya in the ICU. Again, so methodically done. And again, that gave a lot of comfort to the people. And so many things we have added. And again, there was an oxygen crisis, peak crisis. And thanks to all the people's efforts, starting from Nagkumar, Bhavani, Adarsh, Vishnu, Krishnaveni, all the people got involved. And now liquid oxygen also has been commissioned in Gachibowli. That is a liquid oxygen. And liquid oxygen has been commissioned in Secunderabad also. A lot of, we bought 10 ventilators and we got again high pressure oxygen meters. Am I right? And then we upgraded to new ICUs, and we borrowed some ventilators from Bhubaneswar also. So many things have been happening and which we manage. And our Davids, that means the non-COVID emergencies, trauma teams, again, they got this special gear and worked all the way. And again, our passion and emphasis on the communication to the people. And everywhere we got the brochures, the hotel brochure, home brochure, and again, we wanted to educate and communicate to the people. And again, this one is from the chairman of the GMR, airport chairman, Grandi Mohan Rao. His WhatsApp image. Dear Reddy Garu, Namaste. I watched your video and my compliments to you and your son-in-law. Wonderful video. I am asking my PA to get 100 kits of home quarantine, and please kindly do the needful. So you can see that how many people, how high we reach with our videos and communication. Then again, as a part of the motivation, as a part of keeping up the spirits high, this one, you know that we had one nice musical evening where people have participated and enjoyed almost 2 hours of music. And again, Balu also was so kind. And unfortunately, he is on a very critical ventilator, and we all pray to God that he should come out. Such a nice gentleman. This also he has done for us.
He's on ECMO, sir. He's on ECMO now.
Yeah. He's coming back. He's on ventilator, no, na?
No, he's an ECMO, ECMO.
Oh, I know ECMO. Yeah.
Today's headlines of DC, Chennai DC, it is there. I'll send you a screenshot.
ప్రపంచంలో ఇష్టమైన రెండు ఎంటిటీస్, ఒకటి డాక్టర్లు, రెండు సైనికులు. వీళ్ళ త్యాగఫలం లేనిదే మనిషి బతుకు దుర్భరం. అందుకని మీ అందరికీ కృతజ్ఞతాపూర్వకంగా నమస్కరిస్తూ ఇవాళ గురవారెడ్డి గారు తలపెట్టిన ఈ కార్యక్రమం, ఇది కూడా కృతజ్ఞతా పురస్సరంగా మీకు సమర్పిస్తున్నది. పాడుతున్న చిరంజీవులు అందరూ కూడా చాలా లబ్ధ ప్రతిష్ఠులు, చాలా బాగా పాడతారు. ఈ కాసేపు మీకు మనోల్లాసం వాళ్ళు కలిగిస్తున్నందుకు వాళ్లకు ధన్యవాదాలు. మీరందరూ కూడా చిరంతనంగా మీరు ముందు ఆరోగ్యంగా ఆహ్లాదంగా ఉంటేనే మా అందరి బతుకులు పండేవి, మా అందరి బతుకులు ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండేవి. Sunshine will be on us when you are all healthy and when you are all happy. So Sunshine fraternity ki, Sunshine కుటుంబానికి సారథి అయిన గురవారెడ్డి గారికి నాకు అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ సర్వే జనా సుజనా భవంతు, సర్వే సుజనా సుఖినో భవంతు. నమస్కారం.
Let us all pray for him. Now, as I said, the incentivization is the third I. Inspiration, information, and incentivization. Incentivization, again, no doubt, we are treated more people. In other words, cash flows have been robust in this month and last month. Whether they can compensate the previous month's arrears, we don't know. But it's not a problem at the moment. But at the same time, we wanted to appreciate the people for their efforts, just not by lip service, but by whatever I could do. So we gave incentives by duty-wise or by salary-wise. So we have seen that no person goes unrewarded in this hospital. So that is the motto. For that also, it's a tremendous exercise. It's not that simple. Myself, Kushal, Bhavani, Adarsh, we all poured our papers and papers, getting everyone. Still, we might have missed some people. And I want the people to nominate or to tell that somebody deserves something which he has not got. Please text a message to Kushal. We are ready to give them. I rather give one token of appreciation to undeserved people rather than not giving to one deserved people. So please text anybody who missed this our act of appreciation. Again, we gave a good dinner sets and again nice Bluetooth speakers and to the nurses. So everyone, we saw to that this is an extra token. And for the consultants, guardian consultants, we put fruits in their cars. Initially, we wanted to visit their houses, but we thought it was too much in this COVID time. So these are all efforts everywhere. And not only that, we asked the involved other people, Nath Kumar, HR Prasad, Devakar, all these people also to give this gift so that it's a sort of a family atmosphere. So again, now coming to the COVID research committee. Venkat, you are there? Am I ready?
I am there.
Yeah, Praharsha, you are there?
Praharsha is here.
Okay. And Venkat, you acknowledge all the people who to acknowledge, because thanks to you, we got now 1,000 case sheets scanned. Tell me about that, Venkat.
I think one of the first area we were trying to get to this COVID time is to get into research. Now, the basic question is it's a race. It's a race in the sense that everybody wants to write, so we have to be in the race. Otherwise, by the time it's another 6 months, whatever we have our ideas, they'll all die down, or somebody would have already published. So we had a discussion with Dr. Guruvareddy, and as usual, he's very encouraging. So first thing we try to do is, once we have finished 1,000 cases, we try to get all the case sheets. Now we are making a master chart of all the case sheets, an Excel sheet. So all the case sheets, all the cases data will be in an Excel format, probably in another 15 days. Now, once we have the data, all the data available with us, now it's left to the consultant, like whoever wants to do whatever type of research, we will be able to support them with the data. We will be able to support them with the statistical analysis. So now already we have started one article we have already published, that is on the perspective of the trauma level. another article, the challenges and the local solutions which we are.
Yes, come here, my friend.
Yeah.
See the screen.
Yeah.
See the screen. The one you published already, the left side. About to publish on the right side.
Yeah, this is the one which we are going to get it on the other thing. And then the few more things are there. In fact, Dinakar gave me yesterday an idea, like what's probably a quick study is the problem faced by all the people wearing PPE.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of issues wearing PPE for 6 hours continuously. So that's a very quick research we are going to do now. I've already made the pro forma. Probably we will have to know what the problems they're facing PPE. There are hardly any research work done on the personal problems of
That's why I put the slide. Dinakar provided that mask. You have seen that mask.
Yeah, Guru already.
Yeah.
Now people who are wearing PPE, they have problems with visibility. They have problems with communication. They have personal problem, like somebody feeling breathlessness, and then they are having head. There are a lot of issues and there's no study being done. So I think we have how many? I think about 200-300 people will be wearing PPE per day in our hospital.
I think we could do that. We'll move on to the next one. Thanks, Venkat.
Yeah.
And at the same time, let me tell all the primary consultants here in this group and other intensive guys also, please come out with some hypothesis, ideas, and share it with Sachin and Amir Reddy, and let us do some research out of this. Because otherwise it's not right. We will like a nursing home. We are an institute, don't forget that. And again, thanks to them. Now we got another committee called COVID Consensus Committee. Again, all the primary consultants who are admitting the patients and the critical care guys participated in this. Again, Sachin has come up with a good checklist or good parameters. What should we do? And it was a great discussion. And I thank all the guys who think on the same page. Almost 90% of people agreed on the treatment guidelines. Again, what we got is GCS, Goodwill Committee for Sunshiners, has already explained to you. Again, to tell you how much we owe all this to you guys. As I said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Mahatma Gandhi. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Winston Churchill. Two great people, two great quotations. So, expressing our gratitude for your kindness. I cannot express how grateful I am to you. And again, we got a VIP patients WhatsApp group in both the places. This is R.P. Patnaik, one of the great music directors of yesteryears, years, getting discharged. And we made it like a big ceremony. And again, at this juncture, I am putting one committee for COVID post-discharge. I am calling it a CPW, something like that. COVID post-discharge surveillance. Because almost 2,000 people we have successfully treated them. And Anil is already, and Anil, I've got the data. I think Krishnaveni has got the data, my secretary. And these people, attenders' phone numbers will be there. My idea is 2,000 patients will be distributed of 20 guys of the senior management teams. And each one will get around 100 patients. And then they will ring those 100 patients, inquire their welfare, and give them their phone number and asking any future problems. They come to the Sunshine, we will take care. So these become like a personal patient care managers. And the second point is at the same time, Mateen, are you there? Mateen?
Let me check.
Sudhir, are you there?
Mauzam is there.
Yes, Mateen also. Mateen is there?
Mauzam.
Mateen.
Yes, sir.
Mateen is there?
No.
Because you see, Gachibowli, why I'm telling is, Gachibowli, the cardiopulmonary laboratory, which Mateen has put with so much of energy and money, will be a boon for the future patients. I'm sure Sudhir will agree with that, because a lot of the guys will end up with pulmonary fibrosis, I gathered, and these people need to increase their lung capacities. What else is the better place than this one? Agreed? So we got to come up with a nice brochure and send it across digitally in social media, that in the future, coming 6 months to 1 year, for your lungs to get back into normalcy, Sunshine is the place to come. That is the way we should pitch it. And I'm sure we should do that. And I don't know why Mateen is not there. I'm always disappointed with Mateen's absence in the meetings. Right. No doubt, there are plenty of bouquets, but there are brickbats also. Some of them are very, very undeservedly. This one, final settlement of corona treatment bill in private hospital. And people and everyone has got so many things there. But we should not lose, last 3 slides, we should not lose focus on our compassion. We should not lose focus on our human things.
సార్ యాక్చువల్ గా ఇందాక మీరు పెట్టిన దాంట్లో అండర్వేర్ ఉంచారు కదా, ఇంకా ఏం కావాలి?
Sir, good. Again, this is a cartoon from Sridhar Eenadu paper. Private ఆసుపత్రి ఉన్నయ్య ముందు మేము ఈయన పిండుకోవాలి అంటుంటారు. Ironically, somebody mute please, somebody is shouting, please mute. And ironically, this same Sridhar guy has got a corona in the same evening. And he went from pillar to post for 3 hours to get a bed in a private hospital. At last, Ashoda has accommodated him. So that is the irony. These people will come to us, anything happens, and this is the way they criticize. So untrue and so cruel. And somebody like Anil Mulpur, who has got a creative thing, has converted it into other way around. That guy is the doctor, public and media, and government is the courts. Wonderful. This is what we are. Okay. But I'm telling you, don't lose focus, because we are alone and we are being bombarded by the people. End of the day, the great stories, great heroic episodes will come. This guy has stayed more than a month, Mati?
38 days, sir.
38 days, we saw him, and he is successful. And again, you know this, you have seen this, and how Bhavani's team, Bhavya, and these people have done the job, tremendous job. And so these things should go to us. But of course, on the other side of the coin, the husband of this wife, this lady, after giving him a live wife and live daughter, gone to the police station yesterday and complained that Sunshine is not letting his wife go and asking money. So these times I lose that the faith in the humanity. But again, I have to pat myself. No. This we should not get bogged down. We should get along with this in spite of this. And so again.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Matin has joined.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
You're saying something about Matin?
Okay, that's okay. Now, what do I do from COVID? We have moved from fear to learning zone to growth zone. We have to move. Growth zone, we all have to be in growth zone. I think of the others and see how to help them. I make my talents available to those who need them. I live in the present and focus on the future. I'm empathetic with myself and with others. I thank and appreciate others. That's what I'm doing today. I keep a happy emotional state and spread hope. Again, guys, don't lose hope. This will also pass. And I look for a way to adapt to new changes. I practice quietude, patience, relationships, and creativity. So that is the growth zone which I always want, and I request all my consultants to be there in that. And so thank you so much once again for all the people, for your love and affection towards me and my family and to Sunshine. I cannot appreciate how grateful we are all to you for your contribution. And thanks to you, we have managed to save thousands of people. And if I miss any particular person, please chip in now. And okay, before I go, just this last one. From tomorrow, everybody has to fill in form for admitting the patients. And
sir,
so now I stop
sir,
sharing.
can I suggest one thing?
Please.
Can we all unmute and have a round of applause?
Okay, unmute yourself. Yeah.
And have applause.
Sir.
For Team Sunshine. Thank you.
Sir, hooray! Hooray, Sunshine.
Right, thank you. Now let us see whoever wants to talk. Let them talk. Yeah.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Sachin here, sir.
Yeah, Sachin.
Sir, there are 4 or 5 guys which I want to acknowledge as well.
Yeah, please.
Dr. Namdev, Dr. Uday, both are ill. Dr. Swati Dr. Bhanu, Dr. Nikita, and Dr. Aruna. These are few additional people on top of what is been put forward, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Sachin. And I salute all these people. Sorry, I could not get you photos,
No, sir, no, sir.
but I'll meet you personally. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that. Thank you, sir. Also.
Bhavani, my second. Bhavani, are you there?
Hello, sir. Sir,
Bhavani.
good morning, sir. Sir, madam is performing a cesarean right now.
Oh, I already gone into the action. Why don't you put the things on 9:30, at least on the day when I'm talking? I think it's not enough of my
Subbu here, sir. Can I speak, sir?
Subbu.
Sir, Subbu, sir. Sir, one of my team members need a special mention, sir.
Who is that?
That is Dr. Mangala.
Mangala. Yeah.
Yes. She does not fit into the category of a COVID, frontline warrior because of her age and comorbidities.
Okay.
But in spite of that, because she is part of the team, she has done the COVID work, sir. And we need to congratulate her, sir.
Thanks, Mangala. So at the same time, 60 plus Anuradha, Indra Mohan, these two people are always there emotionally with us. Salute their always presence. And though they are not in the front line, they're always there giving us emotional support to go and do well. All the people. And again, Rajiv, I forgot to mention, he has done tremendous job in dialyzing and this, what is that, SORB, what is SORB is that?
Cytosorb.
Cytosorb and these things. Thanks, Rajesh. And every one of you, can you put videos to all of you, unless you are in underwear, like this slide. If you put the videos, I'll go from left to right and salute each one of you. I can see Dinesh on the first left side. Dinesh, thank you so much. And who is this PPE, white PPE kit moving around? Who is that? Who is that?
Raghu.
Raghu. Raghu, had salute to you, my friend. Nagarjuna, Nagkumar, Anil Malpur. Who is this iPhone? Mauzam, P.N. Rao, again, Mohti, thank you. Aditya, Krishna Patil, the Bhagavad Gita man. Thank you so much for your divine blessings. You always fill the room with such a divinity and serenity. Krishna, it's a blessing that you are working with us. And Lakshman Babu, back from Corona, many more things to come. Venkat, thanks for your research inputs. Though you also belong to the safe 60 plus guy. VBN, again, another 60 plus guy, but you're always there, sir. Thank you so much. Others, I cannot tell how thankful for you guys. And who is this? Tanjil Ahmad is there. And Krishnavedi, Rajaram, Vikram. Vikram, my friend, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Good to see you, man. Thank you so much. Dattaram, again, Dattaram, Rajiv, and Ashwin. This trio are adding a lot of value in Gachibowli. And as I said, they feel for service, but they are always there in the forefront.
Bhargav Reddy sir also. Bhargav Reddy sir also.
Bhargav also, yeah, Bhargav also is there again, correct. Kushal, my great son-in-law, I don't know whether you are proud of me or I am proud of you. Thank you so much, my friend. You are the man really in the forefront. We should give you a big applause. Thank you so much for doing that. Juveria, are you there? Juveria, the young, ever-smiling lady, always ready to be doing the duties. Thank you so much. And, yeah.
Muzam sir wanted to say something.
Huh?
Muzam sir wants to say something.
Muzam, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's such a pleasure and it's an honor to be a part of this lovely team and family. The inspiration which comes from a leader is so indebted. The way you make things happen by God's grace is unimaginable. I have come across many people in my life, but I've not seen a leader like this who inspires and gets the work done so beautifully with so much of grace. There is a Mark Twain quoting which says, kindness is the language which even the blind can see and the deaf can hear. And I can see it through this sunshine. I'm so happy. Now, I was just, when you were saying that you are going to have this post-COVID rehabilitation, I think our mantra should be breathe free. And that's what Sunshine would say in the future.
Yeah, absolutely, Mauzam. Thank you so much. Mateen is there now? Mateen?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
I'm publicly disappointed by your absence, Mateen. At least 1 hour, why don't you give for 1 week?
Incidentally, there was another meeting for me, so I couldn't make it to the meeting
That means
on time.
that meeting is more important than this meeting, Martin. Now I know where your priorities are.
No, not like that, sir. Exactly.
I want to pull your leg. Okay. Now
Sir,
let's
can
go
I
to
can I say a few words?
who is P.N. Rao garu? Sir,
Dr.
చెప్పండి.
P.N.
చెప్పండి.
Sir, it's a great pleasure. Definitely, it is a tremendous leadership and leading from the front, both from your entire family of all your family members, and you have integrated a whole the professional our family, Sunshine family, and also the anxiety that overlays in the initial days from everyone to work into this was effectively removed by your inspiring way in which you all led from the front. And another thing is definitely the guardian consultant and guardian managership, all this that you have so many committees, so many of organization, integration of resources, excellent management, sir. And also the way you acknowledged here today, I'm surprised that every small and each and every person and every small act is appreciated. That's a wonderful thing also. And another thing is, most importantly, you have never, you have always paid all the people's salaries. That is one of the anxiety probably many of the people must be having in the initial days. And this is a wonderful thing, sir. I am very happy and proud of you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. Yeah, on the second page.
Can I just add a few names?
Please, Kushal. Yeah.
ICU,
Yeah.
ICU Frontline Warriors of Sikandrabad, Dr. Gopal, CH Gopal, Subbu Sir, Trauma, Dr. Vinod, Dr. Himanshu, Dr. Dinesh Sharma, Dr. Rahman, Dr. Sudhakar, Dr. Chandrasekhar, Dr. Hari, Dr. Abhilash, Dr. Harsha, Dr. Ashok Raju, Dr. Vimlakar, Dr. Ratnakar.
Yeah, because warriors names are not mentioned them separately, because guardians and warriors almost bulk of 90% of the consultants. So I salute them in group, in totality. But as I said, they all done a tremendous job. And I can see our mother, Anuradha madam, is there. Madam, you are always there. Though you are not here with us, we always cherish you and respect you. And your smiling face and your professionalism always guides us. Indramohan is there by any chance?
Anuradha madam, you are on mute. You're on mute.
Anuradha madam, you're on mute.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are also always there. You and your entire family is there to support me, sir. So thank you very much for being with me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I mean, again, as you said, given the choice, I would also like to be a frontline warrior.
I know.
Fortunately, you know, they are not allowing me to be there.
Exactly, madam. We are all 60-plusers. They are pushing us back.
Yeah.
Prasad,
but whatever help from behind, I'm always there for you.
Thank you, madam. Prasad Pujari, Naveen Kumar, Karthik, Ahmad, Abhilash, Havya, once more wonderful job. Sudhakar Reddy, who is being changed the profession to gynecology. He is now part of the gynecology department. Vijay Kumar, Srinivas, Tushar, Anup, and Uday Kiran, Venugopal Parekh, Sandeep, Jahan, Ashwin Kumar, Vasdev. Is Vimlakar here by any chance?
I don't think he's here. Usually he's there.
Okay. Right, okay. But again, as I said, I salute each one of you. And if anyone wants to add any names, please add them. And if anybody feels that so-and-so needs a gift, the token of appreciation, WhatsApp who and why, and send it to Kushal. Kushal?
Yes, yes.
Okay, see that, and then we will appreciate them.
Special mention.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Anil.
Vamsi, who has.
Yeah, Vamsi.
Who has
No,
handed
in fact, Vamsi is here. In fact, I could not get the photo of Vamsi. I got the old Vamsi, old cardiologist. So I did not put the name. And so thanks to Vamsi for taking care of the hotel quarantine people. You have done a wonderful job. And so it's a great journey. And let us hope that we will continue treating many more people. And one final word. Now I think the things have come that elective cases have to go up. So now people all get braced for that. Start getting the electives, do more OPDs, and get the elective cases. In another 15 days, Kushal and team will give you a green zone, a clear-cut green zone with a designated theaters, designated anesthetists, and designated areas, rooms. We'll increase the rooms also because this definitely will go down in the coming month. That is the point. Nagarjuna, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, Vamsi of radiology and also Salma pathologist.
Absolutely, I forgot them. Get Vamsi photo also is there. I forgot to put it in the radiology. Mahendra Acknowledged, forgot Vamsi. Thank you, Vamsi. Thank you so much. You're always kind and you're always ever obliging. And who's their pathologist, right?
Yeah, Salma pathologist.
Sharma pathologist.
Salma.
Shalma. Okay. That's good.
Dr. Harish, the new urologist, has been covering the hotels from the Gachibowli side.
All right. Okay,
Yes.
Harish. Thank you so much. I forgot that. Okay, wonderful. So, others, anyone from Gachibowli we missed? Krishnaveni, are you there?
Sure, we have missed, but
Yes, sir, I'm there. I'm feeling very emotional. I want to tell so many things, but after seeing all this, I'm feeling very emotional, sir.
Please
What
feel
a hard work.
Please feel, express. Always good thoughts are good.
Amazing soldiers, amazing warriors, lot of hard work, sir. Great.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it is. Krishnaveni, anyone missed from the Gachibowli?
No, sir, we covered most of them. Yeah, almost everyone you covered.
Yeah. Others? Anyone?
I'm pretty sure we would have missed someone, but I'm just not able to remember.
I said all the heads of the department, all the nurses in charges, all of you, we salute you again, and let us pray to God that we will save many more lives. Okay? Thank you so much. Right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
I actually managed to record the whole meeting, so I'll send it.